See what he can achieve at the wall, Bongani.
Yes, indeed. It's about showing me the money, although it's a different kind of money. Of course, today's chart is going to relate to a big buzzword, Bitcoin, and as you may know, some investors in the biggest virtual currency who are looking a little ashen of late. And that's of course because Bitcoin is struggling to recover after a massive drop at the weekend. Let's have a look at how it has been charting, going all the way back to June last year, to about a year ago. It was a massive drop at the weekend, and as I say, the sell-off began after a small South Korean cryptocurrency exchange reported that it had been hacked and money had been stolen, and that's raised concerns about the integrity and security of all cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin fell by more than 10% over the weekend to less than $7,000 per coin. And as you watch how it's been tracking over the last year, it peaked at almost around just over $18,000. That was about December last year. It is now at its lowest point today, hit around 6,700, and that's less, of course, than half of the record high it reached, as I say, in December. 20,000 was the peak thereabouts. Bitcoin also fell a further 1% today. Now, the public ledger system behind Bitcoin allows different computers from around the world to agree on the state of the system and how much Bitcoin is in everyone's wallet, while the owners of the wallets can remain anonymous. It's a very intricate and interesting way in which they find out, or at least create value for the cryptocurrency. Transactions are packed in blocks which no individual or group can control, so that the system is seen as watertight. Bitcoin was originally currency invented by internet wizards, and there were concerns that because transactions could not be traced to the people behind them, it could be used by criminals. Now that, of course, it has become a mainstream investment, the risk of hacks and scandals has risen. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and has experienced several crashes, although thus far it has always been able to spring back and push higher. But that's the story of the Bitcoin over the last year or thereabouts, and of course volatility is the main picture.